Hey guys, it's Joanna from CG Vinyl Studio. Today I wanted to do a quick video showing you how I package one of my orders. These are a set of Hamilton prop logos, and I get tons of orders for these. And I also get a lot of compliments regarding my packaging. So I wanted to show you guys how I go about packaging a simple order like this. My first step is actually to take photos of the decals with the packing slip from eBay. And that protects me and it protects the client in case I've done something wrong or potentially they've done something wrong. So I do this for every single one of my orders. Also over here you see my layout of my supplies that I need for packaging. And I also have my bright light that's attached to my desk. This is from Harbor Freight. I've had it for many years. Just makes my photos nice and bright. It also has like a magnification lens here. I'm going to put you guys on top of that in a second. So first thing I'm going to do is weed these. So I'm going to put you here. Hopefully you can see everything I'm doing. And by weeding them, that means that I'm going to remove the excess material that is surrounding the graphics. You can see there's white vinyl on the outside here. You can see how shiny it is. I'm going to take that off. It just makes it easier for the end user to use their graphics. Okay, and these are tiny. Some of these are tiny, so it takes a minute to, you just have to be careful around them. But if your cut force is correct on your cutter, you can see I just accidentally pulled one up, so I'm going to lay it back down. Very easy. Then you can see what's left over. And you can see the very thin black outline here. That's because we do a bleed cut on these. And that means that there's no white surrounding the graphic itself once you peel up the excess. So I'm just going to throw that out. Now I just have my packing list and my order of graphics. This is what I'm going to pack up. So I'm just going to use this as sort of an extra layer of protection for my decals here. And that's how they will be in the package. And these are actually flaps from a 12 by 12 shipping box. I don't like to order and have a whole bunch of different types of packing material on hand. So we use these 12 by 12 boxes for lots of different orders for our other business. And I also use them for vinyl. I'll show you that really quick. So once you take the flaps off, you have this nice like sleeve left over. So that's what I use for packaging my 8.5 by 11 vinyl. So it's efficient to use the, I think you're upside down now. No, we're good. Okay. It's efficient to use the flaps from the same boxes that I keep on hand for other things. I'm just going to cut this excess backing off here so that my graphics fit. Just checking. Good. And I've got 3 layers here because we need rigidity so that these don't get bent in shipping. So that's why I have 3 of these flaps. And I don't have to manipulate the size of these because this set fits perfectly in there as is. And that's what will be my packing shipping slip, I guess you can say. So here I've got some masking tape. I'm just going to use this to help me keep things straight while I tape. And just so I know where the top is, I'm going to write either the person's name or the title of the decals, just so it helps me keep things oriented. I know this is the top. Now I've got my tape. I buy it in bulk from Amazon. I get like a heavier duty shipping tape because I don't want it to come loose from the box. All of my tape is nice and smoothed down on the edges. And I've got my nice little package there. I'm going to weigh it. I keep my scale right here on my shelf. So this is 3 ounces. I use USPS Ground Advantage. So I'm going to print out a label, and that's it, guys. I just wanted to bring you along for packaging up one of my orders. If you guys have any questions, or you're looking for a decal, or you're looking for vinyl or laminate to make your own decals, please feel free to message me. I'll put my information in the description box. Thanks so much.